Hey, this is the video on surface area of a triangular prism. Okay, and I'm going to use for triangular prism our favorite Toblerone bar. All right, there's our box. And so you can see with this, what makes it a prism is that the bottom is a triangle. And I know you can't see the whole thing, but basically the one base is a triangle, the other base is also a triangle, and all the other faces are rectangles. Okay, so here's your box. All right, so to find the surface area, we're pretending that we have to paint this whole shape. So we're going to paint this side. We're going to paint the side on the other side that we cannot see. And then we're also going to paint the bottom. So if this is my box, the box has three rectangular sides, this side, and it also has the bottom. Okay. And then the other thing we have to paint is the front, and the back is the same. So we'll start with the easy ones, which is the rectangles. Okay, so rectangular sides. So each rectangular side, if you look at the measurements that are given, is a 5 by 10. Right? So I should say, so these are all centimeters. Okay, so the area of a rectangular side is going to be length times width, which is 50 square centimeters. Okay, so that's for one side. But we actually have two of these sides. We have two sides. Okay, so far we've accounted for 100 square centimeters. Okay, so we've done this side and we've done this side. Now we've got to take care of the bottom. Okay, so here we have the bottom. So the bottom is also a rectangle, and if you look carefully at the shape, you will see that it has a length of 10, but this one has a width of 6, because here's the bottom. Here are the dimensions of the bottom. So now we're going to calculate the area. And the area, again, length times width is 6 times 10, which is 60 centimeters squared. So we want to include this, and we want to include this, and that takes care of all of our rectangular sides. Now we have a triangle. We have a triangle base. So the triangle base was given to us like this, and all you need for area of a triangle is base times height, because the formula is base times height divided by 2. So I don't actually even need this side, right? This side was given to me so I could figure out the area of the rectangle, but it doesn't help me in the area of the triangle. So the base is 6, the height is 4, so area is base times height divided by 2, which is going to be 6 times 4 divided by 2, which is 12. And again, I'm working in centimeters, so centimeters squared. Okay, but it's the same face on the back. So same triangle on the back. So therefore, there's going to be 24 centimeters squared from the triangles. All right, so what are my three numbers that I'm adding together? So I got the sides, the bottom, and the front and back, the triangles. So total area, otherwise known as surface area, is equal to 100 plus 60 plus 24, which is 184 square centimeters. Okay, and that's the surface area of the box. So if you were to paint the whole box, that's the area that you would be painting. Thank you.